Hey everyone, it's Han from Signal Health Group. Let's talk about something that's really important but often difficult to discuss. Planning for the future of our loved ones' care, especially as they age. It can feel overwhelming, right? Where do you even begin to navigate the world of home care services, insurance, and legal documents? In this video, we're going to break down two crucial aspects of this process: advanced care planning and understanding home care options. These are conversations that are never easy, but having them can make a world of difference for both your loved ones and for you. We'll cover the essentials, from understanding different types of advance directives to exploring various home care services and how to assess your loved one's needs. Let's equip ourselves with the knowledge to make informed decisions and ensure the well-being of those we care about most. Advanced care planning is all about making sure your loved one's wishes are respected, even when they may not be able to voice them. It's a proactive step that can alleviate stress and uncertainty during difficult times. It involves having open and honest conversations about their values, beliefs, and preferences for end-of-life care. These discussions can help clarify what truly matters to them, ensuring that their healthcare journey aligns with their personal values. The cornerstone of advanced care planning is the Advance Directive, a legal document that outlines these wishes. This document serves as a guide for healthcare providers and family members, ensuring that everyone is on the same page. There are different types of advance directives, such as a living will, which focuses on medical treatment preferences, including decisions about life-sustaining measures like resuscitation and mechanical ventilation, and a durable power of attorney for healthcare, which designates someone to make medical decisions on their behalf. This person, often a trusted family member or friend, will act as their advocate in medical settings. Having these documents in place can provide immense peace of mind for both you and your loved one. It ensures that their healthcare preferences are known and respected, reducing the burden on family members during critical moments. It ensures that their voice is heard and their choices are honored, even in challenging situations. This can be particularly important in medical emergencies when quick decisions are needed. Remember, advanced care planning is not about predicting the future. It's about ensuring your loved one's autonomy and values are respected throughout their healthcare journey. It's a way to honor their life and legacy by making sure their wishes are followed. These conversations can be tough. I know they require sensitivity and compassion, but they are essential for providing clarity and direction. But starting early and revisiting these discussions periodically is crucial, as needs and preferences can change over time. Regularly updating these plans ensures they remain relevant and reflective of your loved one's current wishes. Now let's explore the world of home care, a lifeline for many families seeking support for their loved ones. Home care encompasses a wide range of services designed to help individuals maintain their independence and quality of life in the comfort of their own home. One type is personal care, which assists with daily living activities like bathing, dressing, and meal preparation. Then there's skilled nursing, which provides medical care such as wound care, medication management, and monitoring vital signs. Companionship care offers emotional support and socialization, which can be vital for combating loneliness and isolation. And respite care provides temporary relief for primary caregivers, allowing them to take a break and recharge. Choosing the right type of home care depends on your loved one's specific needs and circumstances. It's essential to assess their physical, cognitive, and emotional well-being to determine the level of support required. Chapter 3. Assessing your loved one's needs. A holistic approach. Evaluating your loved one's needs is a crucial step in creating a care plan that truly supports their well-being. This process involves looking at various aspects of their life to ensure a comprehensive understanding of their requirements. Begin by carefully observing their daily routines and identifying any challenges they face. Consider their physical limitations. Are they able to perform basic tasks without difficulty? Can they move around easily? Do they need mobility aids like a walker or cane to help them get around safely? Do they need assistance with bathing, dressing, or toileting? These activities are essential for maintaining their hygiene and dignity. Next, assess their cognitive abilities. This includes their memory, problem-solving skills, and ability to make decisions. Are they experiencing any memory loss or confusion? Do they have trouble recognizing familiar faces or places? Are they able to manage their medications and finances independently? These tasks are crucial for their health and financial stability. Don't overlook their emotional well-being. Emotional health is just as important as physical health. Are they showing signs of loneliness, isolation, or depression? These feelings can significantly impact their quality of life. These factors are equally important in determining the appropriate level of care. Emotional support from family and caregivers can make a big difference. Remember, this assessment is not a one-time event. It should be an ongoing process. As your loved one's needs change, so too should their care plan. Regular updates ensure that their care remains relevant and effective. Regularly reassess their situation and adjust their care accordingly to ensure their ongoing comfort and well-being. This proactive approach helps in addressing any new challenges promptly. It's also important to include your loved one in these conversations as much as possible. Their involvement can lead to better outcomes and satisfaction. Their input and preferences are invaluable in creating a care plan that aligns with their values and desires. This ensures that they feel respected and heard in the decision-making process. Financial planning for home care, costs, and resources. Now let's address the financial aspect of home care. This is a crucial step in ensuring that your loved ones receive the care they need without causing undue financial strain on the family. Understanding the costs involved and exploring potential resources can help you make informed decisions and plan accordingly. It's important to have a clear picture of what expenses to expect and how to manage them effectively. Home care costs vary depending on the type and duration of services required. For instance, basic assistance with daily activities will cost less than specialized medical care. Hourly rates for home health aides differ from those of skilled nurses, and long-term care needs will naturally accrue higher expenses. It's essential to factor in these variations when budgeting for home care. Review your loved one's insurance coverage to see what home care benefits are included. This can significantly offset the costs and provide some financial relief. Medicare, for instance, may cover a portion of skilled nursing care, while private insurance policies might offer broader coverage options. It's worth exploring all available insurance plans to maximize benefits. Explore potential financial assistance programs. These programs can provide much needed support and make home care more affordable. Medicaid, for example, can provide financial aid for home and community-based services for eligible individuals. Eligibility criteria and benefits vary by state, so it's important to research your specific options. Long-term care insurance is another avenue to consider, though it's often best to secure these policies earlier in life. These policies can cover a range of services and provide peace of mind for the future. Planning for the financial aspects of home care can feel daunting, but it's manageable with careful consideration and research. Take the time to explore all options and seek professional advice if needed. Remember, there are resources available to help you navigate these complexities and make informed decisions that prioritize both your loved one's well-being and your family's financial stability. Don't hesitate to reach out for help and use the tools at your disposal to create a sustainable plan. Navigating the world of advanced care planning and home care can feel overwhelming, but remember, you're not alone. Signal Health Group is here to support you every step of the way. We believe in empowering families with the knowledge and resources they need to make informed decisions about their loved one's care. Our team of experts is dedicated to providing compassionate guidance, personalized support, and unwavering advocacy. Don't hesitate to reach out to us if you have questions, need assistance navigating the complexities of home care, or simply want to learn more about how we can help. Together, let's ensure your loved ones receive the care and support they deserve, both now and in the future.